name is Brandon Taylor.
And I'm Afton Taylor.
We're starting a project called A Year Without Fear.
This includes everything from our business
to training and competing in triathlons.
And even weekly things that scare us a little bit or a lot of it.
So we hope you follow along with us and see where this takes us.
Starting a challenge for ourselves, and we're calling it A Year Without Fear because there's so many things in our lives that we feel like we've been have held us back, because we're afraid to try something, and I don't want fear to rule me anymore. I know Brandon doesn't want fear to rule him anymore, but he's driving, so he can't look at the phone. So we want to go out there and we want to try lots of different things, and we want to learn and we want to grow, and we want to create stories so that when we're old and gray, we're not old and gray and boring. We're gonna give it a year, and we're gonna go out and we're gonna try lots of things. So this week I did something scary.
She shot a gun.
Well, yeah, but not any gun.
She shot a handgun.
And
an AR.
Squat like you're about to.
Dude, I was looking
So this week, as far as business goes, we've had a few exciting things. So last weekend I filmed a conference.
Yeah.
That was a long day, but it was kind of cool to see a different kind of filming and to meet a new company and to have a few more opportunities to film with them. So I think we're going places with them, so that's really exciting. And then I also got to go see a family from a mission. They just had a new baby, so we took some pictures for them. That was fun. A lot of editing to do.
Lots of editing still. Just don't worry. You made a video with us. They're in the works.
Coming your way.
Don't worry.
What did you do as far as training goes this week?
Not a lot.
It wasn't our best training week.
Rode my bike to Salem.
Yeah, he did. You rode your bike to Salem. How long of a ride is that?
It's 15 miles.
Go, 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 go. It goes a little bit longer. Go, 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 go. 15? Okay. And how long did it take you to do it?
It took me way too long.
But it was cold.
My first ever ride, it took me like 54 minutes. It's a lot harder when it's cold to ride at that speed.
About to rain.
It was about to rain.
Windy and
super
it was cold.
Windy. Super windy. But you guys made it. It's all that matters.
I think one of my favorite parts this week was, I have two from yesterday actually. The first one is when we went down to your mom's house and Millie got out of the car and she saw that there was snow. Like the first snow of the season is out on the ground and Milia is like, the snow came to Grandma's house! And she was so excited. And she kept telling us, snow is sparkling! The snow is sparkling! And so that was really cute. I really liked that moment. And then when we were in your mom's house, both the girls were laying on their bellies. Watching the train go around. That was really cute. So those are two of my favorite moments. I'm really excited for Christmas season. With kids, it's just a little bit more magical, so I'm excited for that.
So we have some big news.
We do have some big news. We've been contacted by a potential client, and she has a very big wedding, and it goes over the course of 2 days, and she needs a female videographer specifically. So I'm really excited. It's a really great opportunity for me, and it's in, drumroll, New York and New Jersey. So we're really excited. We'll be probably headed out there in February, March. I'll be early. I'll be there in February if you want to join me. Just kidding. We'll be there in March, and that'll be exciting for us.
If you have any fun things to do, like, let us know.
Yeah, we're looking for some fun things to do. We'll be there for a few days. We'll have some time off and things. I've been there when I was really little.
Never been there.
So we're excited to go together and really, yeah, we can think of those stuff.
Start a year without fear.
Year without fear.